Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 7S, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find voice recorder app, and when you find it, click on it. Now tap on this red button and choose while using the app in the pop-up. Then click on allow in the other one, and as you can see after that, my recording is on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, you can do that by using the same button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this flag icon over here. If you wish to add a photo bookmark, click on the camera icon next to it. Take a photo and then save it as your bookmark by clicking on this check mark. If you wish to discard it, click on the X. Now, in order to end your recording and save it, select Done at the bottom left corner. As you can see, after naming my recording here, I can tap on Delete in order to get rid of it right away, or Save in order to keep it. Then my recording is here. If you wish to play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, then select Delete icon at the bottom, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!